Okay, so you guys are getting really good at knowing when you're in your body, when you're out of your body. You can feel the pulse in your toes. You have a clarity around when your wisdom circuit is connected and when you're feeling confusion, right? And you're understanding the space of having your force field, right, optimized and in its most efficient way gathering information, right? Now, with all that, and you're beginning to have a deep understanding of how you're created energetically, don't you think that this creator of you decided that we need to have some sort of notification or alarm system in this sea of information we move through, right? So that we know where to put our attention and we're not being sideswiped, right? Now, what if these energy, systems, these alarm system was truly your emotional system, right? Right now, we've been taught that we need to live there. But what's real and true is if they're clean and clear, right, we get a notification of a disturbance and we can take action and not be in the bucket of goo that comes with reaction. So let's get started. Right, we're going to start from the beginning. So find the perspective of yourself at this moment as you're sitting in the room. And take mental note. Now we're going to drop down through the crown of your head into your corpus callosum. Now we're going to stretch out your muscles. We're going to move to left brain, to right brain, back to the center, and we're going to find balance there. Now draw that energy that resides behind your eyes back, and I want you to witness it connecting back to the left brain, and right down the center to the corpus callosum. This is your upper wisdom circuit. Now we're going to drop down and we're going to fill up your chest cavity front and back. And we're going to witness that circuit dropping down from the corpus callosum, our control room, and activating all the brain cells in your heart muscle. Now we're going to fill up your arms, each finger, bringing your awareness to the tip of the middle finger on each hand. Next, I would like to invite you to fill up your torso all the way down to your sits bones. We're flooding each organ with the essential life force that is you. And we're going to witness that circuit dropping down and activating all the brain cells in your gut. Now the wisdom circuit is connected. You're set up for clarity today. Right? Make mental note of that. So fill up your thighs, your calves, all the way to the bottoms of your feet. Now we're going to fill up each toe, and we're going to locate the pulse in the big toe of your right foot, your left foot. Now we're going to bring our awareness to the edges of your auric field, right? We're going to see that on the ground like a chalk line, right? And we're going to take note of where it stands at the moment. And if necessary, we're going to push it out to that 6-foot mark. If we need to, we're going to pull it into that 6-foot optimal mark. This goes above your head, below your feet, all the way around a complete radius. Now we're going to ask to witness all of your energy centers like colored dots, right? We want to take note Are they really close to your body? Right? Are they pushed way out? Are they scattered all about? Right? We're going to just take note. And I'd like for you to push them out and line them up in an orderly manner around the perimeter of your field. Right? And I want you to be aware of what feels different. Now, welcome home. From here, you're going to start your day, right? You're in your body. Your wisdom circuit is connected. Your force field is connected. Your alarm system is connected, right? Now you're ready. You know exactly what you feel like right now. So you're ready to start your day.